Organizational units or OU lets you segment your populations and give different services, settings, and permission to different users. A well-designed organization unit structure is critical to effectively and flexibly managing your G Suite for Education account. Take some time to consider the best organizational structures for your organization, as changing OU use post-deployment is possible but challenging. Google has made a few suggestions in their G Suite Admin Help Center and G Suite for Education Quick Start IT Setup Guide. In this video, I'm going to create a basic role-oriented structure with students, teachers, and staff in 3 separate organizational units below the root OU. From your admin console, go to the menu and then Directory and then Organizational Units. Hover over your root organization, the one you want to modify, and then click the plus button to create a new organizational unit. Enter a name. This is optional, but you can also add a description of the organization. And also optional, you can place the organization under a different parent organization if you want to by clicking the edit icon. Then click Create. And now the staff OU has been created under my root OU. I'm gonna do this for another OUs. If I wanted to, I could create additional OUs underneath. And so on so forth. Now we have organizational units. We can add users and place them in each of the OUs. Watch the next video to find out how to just do that.